Okay, so I needed to do projects for science, so I just wanted to show the functionality of it. So the main part I wrote about was this, okay? Now, I didn't write about that. So I gotta write a little bit more about this, but this is supposed to be like a holder for something, pencil holder, something tall, rulers, whatever. You can use that for the cap on it, right? And you can use this tray for like erasers, paper clips, whatever. And it's also weighed down, so you don't have any worry about it. Say you have it outside and you're working outside. It won't blow away if it's by a window. It's got cast iron weights on it that I put. Just giant chunks of cast iron I had laying around. So, the lid. Right, so, here's an example I like to use because it's perfect size for it. This antique crock pot right here. Perfect size for it. Not easily moved around. And then you have bowls, right? So, you have something in a bowl. You don't want, like, I don't know. I mean, say you want to keep the air in, like the hot air on it, right? Move my lunchbox out of the way. So, take a bowl, any size bowl, small or big. The one I'm holding now is the smaller one, as you can see. Let me slide that out of the way. Move the big one out more. So for the big bowl, right? Cover up. Little bowl. Let me put the big bowl away. Covers the little bowl. And if you ever wanted to put, like, say you wanted this air to escape a little bit, you can always just puncture a little hole in it. It's cardboard. However, it probably would swell underneath, like, the liquid, like the water vapors or whatever. It is kind of like that gas. It would make it kind of swell up, I would imagine. So you can do that. You can use it as a fan. It works pretty good for a fan. It actually puts out a lot of like cold air, so it's really good for that. And yeah, you can play frisbee with it. I mean, it's not going to be easy to demonstrate, but like you can throw it like that, which didn't do very well. And I had this one semi-good throw for like short distances, where if you hold it like that and then you kind of go out, it kind of soared. That didn't do anything at all because I suck, and I can't remember how I did it. It kind of goes, kind of cringy. Ooh, there's a pot it might fit. Might be perfect for it. This little brass pot in here, perfect. Except for that little thing pushing it up. But yeah. Like, you can use it for anything, really. That's actually the perfect size for it, too. Put a cap on it. It's perfect size. It's got a nice, sturdy handle. I mean, yeah, I should probably get a wrench and a screwdriver and tighten it a little more, but this handle probably ain't gonna come off. I mean, I'm using the screw and the lock nut from a charbroil and in a pipe bracket that I got from outside of this, from like laying around out on the school property. Found it laying around by like one of the gutters. So overall, pretty good invention. I'm gonna get to writing and all. And yeah, I hope you like my creation.